right, so if you don't have a lot of confidence when you're getting ready for Thanksgiving, practice on whole chickens. Costco, I stuffed the bird. We're gonna put a little bit of celery, carrot, I'll cut it down. But if you see the stuffing, one trick, flatten it out in the bird. Don't just leave it chunky and flumpy. Push it down with your hand, flat it. That has more area space for the heat to go through. It'll cook more evenly. And then of course I'll throw some of this in. But start practicing your flavor profiles with the chicken. All right, so step 2, this is where the practice comes in. I put butter underneath the skin and I threw a little poultry seasoning. This is where you can learn your flavor profiles. What do you like? You can use a spoon if you have sausage fingers like me to get the butter in. And then I just hit it with a little lemon pepper to provide the citrus, garlic, onion powder, poultry seasoning, Lawry's. I like Lawry's for a little bit of color, a little bit of the salt. I like the way it tastes. The sodium, and then remember, you can inject these, do all kinds of things. Like I said, I put a little of the aromatics inside, but gravy, typically chicken's dry. You can hit it with the gravy. That's why you don't have to go crazy with the sodium if you choose to do a gravy. Now I'm gonna stick it in the oven at 350 till it hits 165. You'll have a carryover of cooking, and I'll show you what that looks like. Another tip, start practicing with your timers. How do I know when the bird's done? Because this will tell me it's 51, I'll go to 165. These can be finicky. And also placement. Did you put it in the middle of the breast, turkey, or the chicken? Practice with these chickens. They make wireless ones now. I have one, I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna try to use it right before Thanksgiving. But start, because what's today, the 2nd. It'll be here before you know it, and it will relieve a lot of stress if you start practicing on little chickens. Did I use too much sodium? Do I like the poultry? Do I not like the sage? Just start practicing. All right, Thanksgiving on a budget. So this is if you're a beginner. Even if you're not, you're making a lot of things for Thanksgiving. You're stressed out. It's the dance, right? It's the flow that's tough. Test now. Plain wrap Winco turkey gravy, or whatever your store is, right? There's turkey, there's chicken gravy. The reason I'm testing it, almost $2, $1.50, $2 for the gravy. If you don't make homemade, 50 cents, right? And here's the thing, can you make the homemade? Of course, but when you're brand new, it's a lot of things going on in the kitchen. Maybe test these, see which one you like. And yeah, you can use chicken gravy, up it with the pepper, maybe hit it with a little bit of poultry seasoning, but maybe just black pepper. But give it a try, practice now, and you'll know what you like. So check this out. How do you know, turn your your chicken or your turkey halfway through, and you're like, dude, I'm going by time. So 80 and 80 is 160, and I said go to 165. It doesn't have to be close. Mine was 190 and I flipped it. So 80, 90 degrees for the 165. Turn it. This is what it looks like. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now let's focus. There. Starting to get that nice golden brown color. All right, tip. Some point, if your turkey or chicken gets too much color, starts getting like towards going burny, cover it with foil, let it finish cooking that way, but you will still keep that texture. So remember I said you have carryover? Just pulled it, it's 167. 3 to 5 degrees you can usually get as it sits. So I just wanted you to see that. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, just pulled her out. Look at that color. Look at the butter, right? I put it under the skin. Allow a few hours. I don't know how long it took. At least 2, the extra hour. You want to let this rest. Hour in a perfect world, half hour. But so all the juices, they push to the center where the breast is with the heat. Once it relaxes, it'll redistribute among the rest of it. But even on Thanksgiving, if you're like, oh, my turkey's early, the chefs in France, I learned this from Gordon Ramsay, said, as long as your turkey cooks, it's as long as it should rest. So don't stress if it cooked 3-4 hours and you don't serve it for 3 hours. That's what they do in France. And then, of course, the gravy heats the meat up when you go to serve it.